Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo S90 T5 Momentum in maple brown metallic with an amber leather interior. I love this color combination. This all-wheel drive sedan has less than 18,000 miles on it. It has the Momentum Plus package and the Convenience package. So you get cool things like that 360-degree camera system, those Thor's hammer, active bending headlights with auto high beam. This has park assist pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, which is the semi-autonomous drive mode. Those super cool 19-inch wheels. This has keyless entry, blind spot information system, cross traffic alert with auto braking, city safety collision avoidance that detects animals and pedestrians and cyclists, and it's a radar based system, so it works at night. T5 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. You'll get 250 horsepower from that, and this is an absolute joy to drive. It's just such a smooth Sunday driving kind of car. Plenty of space in the back. And it also has, if you choose the one on the left, you'll just close the trunk, and closing the trunk with the button on the right will lock it and lock all of the doors, so you can just walk away. This has a panoramic sunroof. And the color combination reminds me of a caramel truffle. Right? Memory seating for 2. Super comfortable seats, and your backseat passengers will enjoy all of the legroom. There's so much legroom back there, and it's a 4-way climate control situation, so they'll be comfortable too. These shiny inlays are the dark flame birch inlays, and I think they look really nice. You'll find your ignition switch here, and you'll see those safety features. Auto dimming frameless mirror. One click, open your sunroof. And it has adjustable drive modes. So depending on your mood, you can even set up individual drive modes. And then you'll see the 360-degree camera. Off to the left, you choose camera, and then this pops up, and whatever you'd like to get a closer view of, you can just choose that camera. And great for parallel parking, so you can see how far away the curb is. This is your main screen, your kind of home screen with navigation. And this has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You could download whatever you'd like here. Set up with Sirius XM. Well, if you need a sweet sedan, this is stock number 6224A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details. There's actually a link in the description box below, and come test drive it, take it home. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.